She's a bit controversial, but she can make you to look at a movie from a whole different angle. If you are a fashionista, you do fashion hauls, you love fashion, you should be watching this lady because she is good at what she does. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hanze237. Thank you for clicking on this video. Guys, today I am here to share with you my favorite Nigerian YouTubers from the year 2020. Yes guys, you heard me right. I'm going to share with you guys some YouTubers that impacted my channel in the year 2020, helped me to grow my channel and all that good stuff. So if you are interested to find out these amazing YouTubers, amazing content creators, please keep watching this video, okay? If this is your first time here, my name is Rosie. Thank you for clicking on this video. On this channel, we share on everything love, lifestyle, and motherhood. If you are interested, come on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell. So anytime I release a new video on this channel, you will be the first to get notified. For my returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support, all right? So let's just get into the video. I'm so excited to share with you guys these content creators, and trust me, they are good, they are amazing. The first person on my list is Kelechi. If you see me looking down, of course you know that I have my notebook in front of me, so I'm just trying to read out your names. The first person is Kelechi Mbemena. I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrongly. She's one of my favorite YouTubers for the year 2020 because of her zeal to help growing YouTubers to produce quality content. That's why I love her. From creating good thumbnails to, you know, trying to set up their backdrops and using Android phones to film, how to use your back camera to film, and when you don't have someone to assist you in filming, like there's just so much that she's putting out there to assist content creators, especially phone YouTubers like myself.
You guys already know that I love sharing a lot of production tips, marketing tips, business tips, growth tips relating to YouTube.
So I just love that about her, that she has dedicated her channel to support growing YouTubers like myself, and that has helped me a lot. I've tried to implement some of the things that she said in some of her videos, and it's working for me, so I'm just so grateful to her. Thank you so much for what you are doing. Keep doing you, and trust me, your viewers and subscribers will keep growing, okay? So the next person on my list, this lady has been with me from the word go. Like, she was the one who pushed me, who motivated me to do my first live stream, and she's one person that I can call her, I can send her a DM at any time and she is going to respond. And who is this lady? She's none other than Afrogenic, guys. This lady is very, very supportive. Like, you can talk to her at any time, she's going to help you. She has done a lot of videos to help growing YouTubers like myself. I remember when I started my channel in 2018, she used to do like back-to-back live stream. If she discovers something new about YouTube, she will come on and tell us, and she's still doing that. And she has grown on YouTube, as in she has grown to over like 20,000 subscribers, and she has not stopped being her. She's still very genuine, very supportive, and that's what I love about her. You can go and check her channel and support her.
Brain responds more to repetition, imagery, and emotion. So when you see yourself saying it, don't stop saying it.
The next person that I'm going to talk about is somebody that she's a bit controversial, but there's just something that I love about her channel, and this person is called Okeke. All right, this lady, I started watching her before I could start my own YouTube channel. I got glued to her YouTube channel from 2019 when I was pregnant, and she was pregnant at the time, though a bit advanced than me, and I loved her pregnancy videos. Like, she was just raw, just real, showing us the real thing. She didn't care how her face looked at the time, she didn't care about anything, and she was just giving us raw content, and she's still doing that. I love her zeal, and she doesn't care about what people have to say about her. She's just moving forward, and that's just one spirit that I like. Be consistent, be true to who you are, and just keep marching on no matter what people say to distract you. Once you are sure of what you are putting out there, you are convinced of what you are doing, just keep doing it, okay? So that's one thing I love about Okeke, and that she is equally someone who is there to support other growing YouTubers. One thing that I picked from her is the act of support. All right, I know for a fact that a lot of Port Harcourt YouTubers have grown through Okeke, from Adeze Space to Diana Okweme, and even her own sister. So that's just one thing that I love about her, that she's very supportive. She's a go-getter, and she doesn't let anybody just bring her down. People must always talk. All right, so moving on, another person that I love so much that I have talked about on my channel. I mean, when I started my YouTube channel as a new YouTuber, there was this tag I did, new YouTuber tag, and one of the questions was, who are your favorite YouTubers? And at the time, this lady was one of my favorite YouTubers. She is still my favorite YouTuber. And who am I talking about? Adenike Adebayo. She has another channel, another lifestyle channel, which I'm going to leave it in the screen. This lady has, I love her content, her movie reviews. Yeah, she's very good at doing movie reviews.
Yes. This one is set in the Shakiri Kingdom between the 11th and 12th century.
Like, she can make you to look at a movie from a whole different angle. Like, you are not just looking, enjoying the beautiful and the handsome characters. You are looking at the story. You're not just looking at the story or the plot. You're looking at the cinematography, the lighting, how this character is helping this other character to bring out, the dialogue and all that stuff. This lady, she knows her onion. As in, she knows what she's doing on YouTube, and I love that about her, because I love watching movies, and I'm tired of watching just the love story, just the intrigues and all that stuff. I want more from a film. When I'm watching a film, I want more from that film. I want to learn something from it. So she helps me to look at a movie from another angle, from her own eyes, and I love that about her. She's a very, very good film critic. All right, so moving on, the next person or last person from this list, okay, is a fashionista, as in the way Okeke TV. Check her out on YouTube. If you are a fashionista, you do fashion hauls, you love fashion, you should be watching this lady, because she is good at what she does. Okay,
the first shock I want us to discuss today, I want you to open to the book of Shocks, chapter 14, verse 62. It's gonna be this auntie that ordered a black lace-up dress that's meant to be pretty,
and I love the way she does it in a very lively manner. She adds a bit of fun to it, not like other fashion police channels where they will just be insulting you left, right, center. But with her, she makes it to be fun. She adds this Yoruba way of saying things, and I love that about her. So those are my favorite YouTubers for the year 2020. From when I started my channel, some of them I've been watching them even before I could start, and I've been watching them back to back, and I'll continue to watch them until I discover new YouTubers. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you have discovered one or two people from this channel, and trust me, go to their channel, watch them, and they are going to impact you as a content creator, or maybe as a fashionista like Okeke TV. All right, so thank you. And if this is your first time here, you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so anytime I release a new video on this channel, you will be the first to get notified. For my returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support, and until next time, it is bye bye from Rosie.